Hello, thanks for coming to our demo. We are in person at the ACII conference in Nara, Japan. That is the Effective Computing and Intelligent Interaction Conference. And I'm recording this also for people who are online. The paper we made over the summer, and it is partially work with students and also partially work that I did as a grad student. Here you can see the screenshot, but you can, of course, read the paper on your own. I wanted to point out that the code is available, so you can run this on your own. But the easiest way to try it out is to go to emo20q.org. And it's a little bit slow, but the agent will start up, and the goal of this game is to play the 20 questions guessing game about emotions with a dialogue agent. There's two parts of this game from the perspective of the user. First, the user tries to pick an emotion, and then the agent will try to guess that emotion by asking 20 or fewer questions. And then the other part is where the agent will pick an emotion and the user tries to guess that emotion. Okay, so the first part was something that I did when I was a grad student, and then the second part is something that we did over the summer, last summer, 2022. And the first part involved more kind of traditional machine learning Bayesian belief update, and the second part is using BERT to understand the questions that the user asks. Okay, so to start, we'll just say that we're ready. So let's pick an emotion, and let's just pick an easy one. Maybe we can say, how about, let's pick something a little bit harder, not just one of the basic emotions. Let's say anxiety. So I say, okay, ready, strong emotion. Is anxiety strong? Yes, it can be. Yes, it's usually associated with certain conditions. Is it a negative emotion? Yes. So this agent is trained on human-human dialogues as well as human-computer dialogues. Is some other person? Maybe. So you can be anxious about other things besides people. It's kind of like anger. No. Is it something unexpected? Maybe anxiety can be something unexpected. Is it disgust? No. Fear? No. Anxiety? Yes. Okay, I got it. So it will double check to see if it actually got it right. Sometimes the user might say, yes, it's like anxiety, but it's not actually anxiety. So yes. Okay, so the next part is a part that is the new part, and I am glad for everyone who's trying this out. It's a little bit harder because now we have to ask the questions, and we can't just sit back and answer them. We actually have to ask them. So now the agent is asking the questions. Let us pick, let's say, okay. Ready for questions. Let's start with, is it a negative emotion? No. So it's a positive emotion. Is it a strong emotion? Yes. Strong positive emotion. See, is it happy? Joy. X. Let's see. Elation. It an emotion you feel about other people. Maybe. Love? No. Expectation? Is it a social emotion? Maybe. Okay, it's not giving me too many hints. Is it surprise? No? Let's see here. Is it like happiness? Maybe. Let me see. Is it lust? Huh? You might feel birthday. Maybe. Okay, let's see. Is it, what are other positive emotions? Joy, hope, is it playfulness? Is it curiosity? No. Is it funny? Inquisitiveness. Okay, so right now there's no notion of synonyms. It's just yes or no or maybe, and we use BERT fine-tuned on our existing data to tell that. So this is one of the things that maybe the agent could be improved by picking this as a synonym, or to say that this is a close, so give a hint. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. My email is Abe Kazemzadeh, like my name, abe.kazemzadeh at stthomas.edu. That is stthomas.edu. Thank you.